In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Rufus Undetermined error that may occur while you're formatting a USB drive. This is a common issue that many people encounter when trying to create a bootable USB, and it can be incredibly frustrating. But don't worry, we have a few simple solutions that are easy to follow, and we're going to walk through them step by step. To begin with, let's tackle the first method, which involves running Rufus as an administrator. This is a crucial step because there are times when Rufus may not have the necessary permissions to make changes to your USB drive. If Rufus is open, you'll want to close it for now. Then locate the rufus.exe file. This is usually downloaded onto your computer, often found in your Downloads folder. Once you've found it, right-click on the rufus.exe file. A menu will appear, and you'll want to select Run as Administrator. This action gives Rufus the higher-level permissions it might need to format your USB drive successfully. After you've done that, try creating the bootable USB once more and see if the issue resolves itself. If running Rufus as an administrator doesn't work, don't worry. There's another method you can try, which involves reconnecting the USB drive. First, make sure you close Rufus if it's open. Next, safely remove your USB drive from the computer. It's important to safely remove it to avoid any data corruption. Once removed, plug it into a different USB port than you were using before. Ideally, a USB 3.0 port if you have one available. USB 3.0 ports are faster and can sometimes resolve communication issues between your USB drive and the computer. After that, open Rufus again and attempt to format your drive once more. Now, if you're still facing the issue, there's a third method we can try. It's possible that other programs running on your computer could be accessing the USB drive. Programs like File Explorer, antivirus software, or backup utilities often use USB drives for caching or scanning, which can interfere with the formatting process. What you want to do is close all the programs that might be using the USB. This can sometimes be as simple as closing any open windows or quitting out of software running in the background. Once you've ensured no other programs are using the USB drive, try formatting the drive again in Rufus. Each of these methods targets common problems that can lead to errors in Rufus, so by following these steps, you increase your chances of successfully creating that bootable USB. If you keep encountering issues, consider checking the USB drive itself for any potential faults. Hopefully, these tips will help you get past the undetermined error with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy formatting!